I'm Will Limon, Education Coordinator for FisheryBuildingSeminar.com, and I'm excited to be here with Otilia Mardare. She is the Certified Fishery Building Seminar Facilitator for Romania. She's been trained by myself and our Fishery Building Seminar program to teach the 10-week Fishery Building Seminar in person and online in Romania. And I'm excited to be here with you. You've done a great job in doing all the 12-week program, the training program, as well as the presentations and homework that entailed. And I know that people in Romania will be well served by you teaching them.
Thank you very much. It was such a pleasure to be taught by you. And it's great for me to take this learning forward and also to develop this educational model here in Romania. So thank you for this great opportunity to do this.
Absolutely. I learned to teach this program from Dr. Bruce Fisher back in the late 1970s after taking the program from him. And he passed away in 1998, and there had been no trainings for the program since then. I had presented the program for 20 years, in addition to another 15 or 20 in teaching some of my own programs on relationships and self-esteem. And just recently, I completed and published the Rebuilding Workbook with contributor Nina Hart Fisher. And along with that, helped create a training program, which Otilia here has taken, so that now people in the United States and around the world, people who are dealing with relationship loss, either through divorce, a non-married relationship ending, or even through death, may partake of this excellent Fisher Rebuilding Seminar program. The book Rebuilding by Dr. Fisher and Robert Alberti has been published in something like 14 different languages. It is published in Romanian. And the workbook that I wrote has been translated by Otilia, and she will be using those in her classes. And I think you'll find those two things together will be an unbeatable combination to help you in dealing with relationship loss, but not only dealing with the pain, the grief, and the anger, but learning about why it happened. What are some of the patterns perhaps that you brought into the program or to the relationship, and what you can do differently in the future? What Dr. Fisher used to say is that this seminar will help save your marriage, your next one. So I think you're in wonderful hands with Otilia. I know she'll do a great job. I've seen her in action, and I cannot recommend her more highly.
Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure working with you, and we'll continue working together because we also have this continuing support from you, which I appreciate very much. So we continue to develop this work, how we can serve people better, so that everyone can recover more easily after such a loss. So I'm glad that we are part of this together. Thank you very much, and see you soon.
It is a worldwide program. I just want to mention that. We were opening up this training worldwide, and excited to have you bring it to Romania.
Yeah, me too. I'm so excited. So I'm already thinking about how I can get to more people, so everyone can have access to this knowledge and to this model, because it's so wonderful and it can help so many people be so much better in their lives. And there is a life after divorce, and we want to share this inspiration with the people who maybe do not see this for the moment.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you.